Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Now I have the Realme X7, which is basically a 5G phone. Now this is a cheapest 5G phone which is available as of date in Indian market. It is priced at rupees 19,999 and it comes with an 800U Dimensity processor. So we will do the quickly unboxing of this product and we're gonna talk about the various features and the specification about this mobile phone. Also, I'm gonna give my first impression about this product. Also guys, this year trend has been the 5G and we will see many other phones which will be coming under the 5G category. But if I have to talk about the price range, yes, this is priced at 19,000, but going forward I think 2-3 months down the line we will have more such 5G phones which will be priced around 15 to 16,000. So does this device justify the price tag of 19,999? We will look into it. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please do hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related videos. So let's start. Let's talk about the product. Now this is the Realme branding, as you can see in the front, which is mentioned here as #1 quality smartphone brand, and it's a big 5G logo, as you can see here. And in the side there's nothing much mentioned out here, as you can see here. In the back there are a few of the features which has been mentioned out here, like it's a Dimensity 800U 5G processor with a 50-watt super dart charge. It has gotten 6.4-inch super AMOLED full screen display, which is really good, and it has also gotten triple camera setup with 64 megapixel of AI main camera. And this mobile phone comes with an Android 10 out of the box. Now if I have to talk about the price, it comes at 19,999 rupees. On the other side, if you can see here, there are the contents which has been mentioned here, like the handset charger, SIM ejector tool, safety guide, quick guide, and all those things. So we'll quickly open up the box and we will see the feature with the things that are present inside the box. So guys, you can see here it's mentioned as uncover the extraordinary speed, and there are two other documentation for the safety guide and the quick guide, which will keep it aside as of now. So yes, as you can see here, this is the silicone transparent cover which is available along with the box, and which is a good thing. And we can also see the super dart, which is basically a fast charger. This charger, it comes within 65 watts, but the phone only supports 50 watts of fast charging, which is good enough. I think 50 watts of charging, a phone can be fully charged within 40 to 45 minutes of time. And also you can see the cable which comes, and basically it is an USB Type-C cable which comes in the box. We'll keep it aside as of now and we'll see the phone. So guys, the phone comes in two color. So there is one I have today the grayish kind of in color, as you can see here. Let me quickly open it up. So basically this is the color that I have with me today. It's look like in silver and grayish kind of in color, which looks very gorgeous. The feel of the phone, the touch is really good, though it is made out of plastic, but it feels like glass. It has got a different shine altogether, and this is a triple camera setup that you can see here with a flash. And here you can see the Realme branding, which is mentioned here. I think backside the phone looks really nice and cool. If I have to talk about the buttons, the physical buttons available in this phone, you can see the power on and off button out here, and below you can see the charging port along with the speaker grill, and the SIM ejector tray is out here, and this is a microphone input port. And on the left hand side you can see the volume rocker button, and there is nothing else in the left hand side, and there is one microphone pinhole that you can see here. So there is no 3.5mm headphones, guys. So we have the adapter, because like I've told you, there is no 3.5mm jack, so they have included the USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter along with this phone, which is a good thing. And also there is a SIM tray. Let us quickly open up the SIM tray. So guys, here you can see it's a dual SIM tray, front and back, and both the SIM will support 5G. which is again a good thing. Talking about the feel and the weight, I think this feels really compact in your hand, and the phone is not that bulky. The weight management has been done right. The back side of the phone really looks good and cool. It is little bit of shiny, as you can see here. There was one more color and that was quite loud, and I thought that I will go within subtle color, which basically suits my personality. And I think the first impression, if I have to talk about the device quality, the device quality actually looks good. The camera setup I think has been placed very well. We will take some photos and click some photos from this camera, and I'll show you a few of the samples as we go along in this video. So guys, as we are setting up this phone, and I would like to talk about few of the hardware specification about this phone. Now this has got an 800 Dimensity U processor, and this is quite a tried and tested mid-range processor. Now it will do all your daily tasks without any hassle, and whatever task that you throw at this processor, it will do it quite easily. And there are two variants in this device. So one that I have with me is an 6GB and 128GB storage, and there is one more which comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Also it has got an LPDDR4 RAM, and if I have to talk about the battery of this device, it has got a 4310 mAh battery, and it supports 50 watts of fast charging. Like I have told you, you will get 100% of full battery charge within a time frame of 40 to 45 minutes. But the charger, the dart charger that you get inside the box, it has a 60 watt of capacity. Now 50 watt is not bad at all. In fact, I think 40 minutes of 100% of full charge is really good. Also guys, it has all the sensors. It has got an on-screen fingerprint sensor, and also it has got an face unlock sensor too. And I have tried and tested both the sensors. It works pretty fast, and it does its job pretty well. So guys, now if I have to talk about the camera setup, like I have told you, it has got a triple camera setup, as you can see here, and it has got an AI function. This is basically the main shooter, which is a 64 megapixel shooter, and this has got an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens also, along with a 2 megapixel macro lens, which is available in this phone. Now the lens are basically not from Sony. This is basically a Samsung lens, and in the front, as you can see here, got a 60 megapixel of selfie shooter which comes along with this phone, and basically this is it has got a Sony sensor in it. Now coming to the video guys, it supports 4K 30 FPS video recording, which is good and decent enough. Also guys, if I had to talk about the connectivity of this device, it supports dual SIM, and both the SIM can support 5G network, Wi-Fi calling functions, which is also a plus point in this device. Along with this, it has got a Bluetooth 5 version. Now the phone comes with an Android 10 out of the box. Could have been better if it would have been an Android 11, but nevertheless the UI, if I have to talk about, it comes with a Realme UI, so no issues with the UI experience. Now 800 Dimensity U processor, the performance, if I have to talk about, it does its job pretty well. Now like I have told you, it's a mid-range processor, but it is quite tried and tested in the market. If you have to talk about the Antutu benchmark, it has scored more than 3.15 lakhs of score, which is pretty decent enough. And the gaming and everything that I have tried, I have not seen a lag at all. The gaming, I have played it on the high settings, and I have not seen any lag or any frame drop or anything while gaming. So gaming, it has done pretty much well. So guys, now if I have to talk about my final impression, the phone processor wise does its job pretty well. In fact, I have done all the day-to-day work and activity. It has done absolutely well. If I have to talk about the sensors, the fingerprint and the face unlock sensor, in this phone I have not seen any lag. Also guys, one plus point is the UI features. In fact, it has got a very clean user interface experience that I have got from the Realme UI, and I have no complaint about it. However, the camera, it's a triple setup rear camera, as you can see here, and the camera, I have clicked few of the photographs. That the dynamic range was good, but I felt the colors were a little bit of washed out. So you guys can comment below and let me know your thoughts if you felt so. and it has got an 4310 mAh battery and a 50 watts of fast charge, which is definitely good. So all in all guys, my first impression about this phone has been really good. Only thing is the price range. Now it comes with 19,999 rupees. I would have expected this price to be around 17 to 18,000 rupees of that range. Then this phone would have been a super hit, trust me guys, because I feel that 3-4 months down the line there will be more phones coming in that range, 15 to 17 or 18,000 of range, and if it would have been in that category, I think this would be a mid-range 5G phone killer. So that's all for today's video guys, and what I will do is that I will bring up a detailed review about this phone, and I will also give you few of more samples about the camera and the gaming experience in this phone, because this is the phone that I've recently got it. So let me try and test for another 5 to 10 days, and then I will give my full review. So guys, hope you have liked my video. Do comment below your thoughts about this video, and do keep on liking my videos and press the subscribe button and the bell icon for more such videos. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.